Good morning. We are just boarding the train and we are headed to where?
Orvieto.
Orvieto. That's where we're headed. We'll see you there.
Hello, it's very hot outside. We are in Rome, about to go to Mass once the train picks us up.
Here we are. Where are we?
Roma.
Roma, Italy.
We just went shopping and got a big variety. Eggs, toothbrush, because I dropped mine, apples, veggies, ham, well, bacon, chicken, cheese, milk, mouthwash, gnocchi, some peach drinks that we saw a lot of trash on in Florence, so must be good if we saw it a lot. Rice, some cereal, granola bars, no cheese, yogurt, and last but not least, oh, just kidding, a baguette. Daniel, what is this? Broth.
Veggies are cooking. Rice has just started. We got some chicken to add in. What are we having, boys?
Chicken stir fry. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning here in Rome, and we are headed to Mass. Luke, where are we going?
Church of the Holy Spirit is an English Mass.
He said it. It's an English Mass. And there's a view of St. Peter's. We'll be going there later, maybe today or tomorrow. Yeah, first Mass.
Daniel, what did we just do?
We just went through customs and to enter a new country. And Tommy will show you. This is the country we're in. We are in Vatican City State, inside of Rome.
Shade is valuable.
Nunc et in hora mortis nostrae. Amen.
Ora pro nobis, Sancta Dei Genti.
Ut digni efficiamur promissionibus Christi.
What are we getting after this?
Gelato.
I did.
Thermal with.
Hola. So we just toured Vatican. We went up to the dome. We went all through the museums and went the underground and the Sistine Chapel. Now we are dying. So yeah, we're gonna go take a little chill time at the Airbnb, freshen up, go to mass somewhere, see more churches. Our tour guide has been giving tours for 10 years, and she said she's never seen it so busy today on a Monday. But like any days of the week, she's never seen it so busy. We just walked around an entire country in record time of 47 minutes and 57.8 seconds.
An entire country.
Entire country.
Se gli piace un borgo.
Luke, what'd you get?
Well, I already ate the dragon fruit and most of the cheesecake, but under it, got something called gallet. I don't know what it is.
White chocolate?
Hopefully.
Tommy, what'd you get?
I got some fig, some kiwi, and some grape.
Daniel, what'd you get? Well, you can see I got some mixed berry on the bottom, that's the red, some champagne on top, and some limoncello.
Oh, that's what you do. That's what the hole's for. Wait, okay. We are currently on our way to 11 a.m. Mass at St. John Lateran, and now we're running across an intersection. The Basilica of St. John Lateran, and it was an hour 17 walk, but on the way we got to see some Colosseums, a lot of that Colosseum, a lot of ruins, some other cool stuff. But yeah, apparently St. John Lateran is the oldest church in the West, so and I didn't realize, but it was right in front of us. We were here. So what do we got, Daniel?
Gelato.
Which is lemon with snowflakes.
Orange, too.
What's
And
that
ginger.
lemon? To commemorate a snowfall on August 5th, 358, and we're at the Papal Basilica of St. Mary Major.
We just saw relics of the manger where Christ was born. Pretty fast.
Here we are at, what is this? The Kira homemade noodle. Yum.
Salmon.
Yum.
Well, sorry.
Yeah.
Hey guys, here I am alone again. This time I didn't lose Luke and Tommy, and they didn't lose me. We just decided to split up. They decided to go to a paddleball match, and I just wanted to walk around Rome a little bit more because this is our last full day. So I'm gonna go exploring by myself. We'll see how that works.
Where are we at, Luke?
We are at Paddle Ball.
Padel, ball, Premier Paddle in Italy. So these are some pros or semi-pros right now. Took us forever to get in here. Well, it didn't take us forever because
We walked right in.
yeah, we walked right in with no ticket or anything, and then like 20 seconds after, a guard came and was like, "Hey, where's your pass?" And we were like, So then we had to leave and then walk so far around. We definitely went the long way.
Like
But
30 minutes.
We didn't know that. But yeah, so we split up with Daniel. He wasn't interested in spending money to watch sport. So you'll see what he does just as we see it.
Appetito. I've never had Nutella. What'd you get? How's the mascarpone?
Delightful.
What is it?
I don't know. Daniel's fulfilling his 2 gelatos a day rule.
3 today.
This is my
Well,
third.
I know, but minimum of 2 a day.
Hi guys, thanks for watching our latest video of Rome, Vatican City, and Orvieto. We hope you all enjoyed.
Don't forget to
Like
subscribe.
And comment.
below.